Alright, we're gonna do it. What's up, puppies, kitties, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, peoples and folks? Happy 2021, yeah? It's, it's a new year. So yeah. It's great. We're having a ball, you know. We're having a good time. Hope y'all are having a good time as well. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this thing. This is gonna be a unboxing video. So I got some gifts from my friends, Helen and Dylan. We're gonna start with this from Dylan. Dylan sent me sorry, a cassette of a project of their music that they had recently just released. I've been meaning to listen to this, but I decided to wait till I made an unboxing video to do so. So we're gonna get this puppy open. Okay. So we got this nice wrapping paper. A little ASMR for you. It's good shit. It's good shit. It's good shit. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. 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 Yeah, it's a nice pink color. Let's pop it in. Ansible. It's good stuff. Love the album art. Really cool. Nice. Close up right there. Yeah, if you wanna check them out, is there thing right here? Let's try to get it. Abuki. So I'll maybe post a link or something to their profile. Alright, next. Helen's gifts. Helen is an artist in the Atlanta-ish, sort of outside Atlanta-ish area. She makes really cool art. And got some bookmarks. Yeah. Really cool stuff, Helen. Thank you. Woo. And thank you, Dylan, for the cassette as well. Yeah, we got this little note here. 2 minutes? Okay. I don't know if I should read the note out loud, or I'll read it to myself, or I don't know. We'll see. Happy Halloween. Did I really order this along that? I don't think I'd. Oh. What? Oh, stickers. Oh, thank you. That's so cheesy. Let me tell you what is cheesy. Let me not. I'll just say it involves macaroni and a bunch of angry people at me for making the macaroni. Yeah, I got a lot of cool stickers from Helen. Thank you. Helly Bojelly. Bojelly Helly. Right there. Oh. Good. Yeah. Check her out. Yeah. Support your friends, y'all. Support their art. Support their music. you know, be a good person, and, you know, live 2021 being kind and free and happy. And that's all I gotta say to y'all. Wishing y'all a good year. We'll see y'all in the next vid, in the next internets and all that. So yeah, love y'all. Take care. Peace.